It has been good so far. She has been growing. She has been doing really well. But it's like I just said, it's like baby steps, one step at a time. She has a long way to go. Whatever she has dreamt of, whatever she wants to achieve, but we're just there supporting her. She's doing her bit. We all are doing our bit. So at the end of it, it's our teamwork that will fall in place. Having no choice to play much with kids around of her age. We both being working, we're not around. So just as a leisure during the weekends we would play, and then she would also join in. I mean, I still remember the very small racket that she would have with her, and if even I want to connect, and eventually she started playing with our racket, and she would connect very well. I mean, the racket size was way too bigger than hers, but then she would still connect. So that's how it started eventually, slowly. And she was never happy whenever she played down, no matter what sport. That feeling of, okay, I'm done, even if it's like late, she would still want to play. I was working, and we thought after having her, we thought I will at least work for another 2-3 years. I couldn't continue that. It was just like 3 months, and then I decided to quit because I realized like we two being at work, coming home late, we're not able to give her enough time, not able to do justice to her. So then that's when I decided that I'll take a step back and give her my time. There has been no regrets. It has been wonderful so far. So my workspace has become our home. So working, I would still work there. I'm still working here. It's just the way we take it. I mean, it's not that is what we do in offices is not the only work. We have enough roles to play at home. This is also equally responsible. So that shift has never been so challenging because it has come from within. That is something which I decided and I wanted to be for her. So that is never a challenge, no regrets, never will be a regret whether she grows up or not, because it's never written that we are working hard and this has to be done, right? So it's going good. It's going good.
It's been now 4 or 5 years that she's taken up badminton. So we as a family also are getting used to getting our schedules in line with how she plans her day. And overall, if I look at it, weekends is like more of rest for her because she's been practicing Monday to Fridays, so it's very tough on her. If you have to take a holiday or something, a weekend out, also we need to look at it wherein she's with us, but she's not exerting much, or so that balance somewhere we have kept in. And overall it's tough. I'm saying not tough on me because I'm out most of the time, but Veena is at home, and so for them it's very they need to be that that something like she has to be away from that for some time from the housework. Tia needs to be out of the badminton frame, something like that. But they're somehow managing it, and they have as a family we have decided that that's the journey going to be for the next 4 or 5 years till the time she she takes all the challenges by herself. She's still small, she still needs our support to whatever she does. Absolutely not. What I have told her is to enjoy the game, keep playing the way she's doing. Success will come, failures will come. Failures is something where she will have to learn and move ahead, and she has to taste both of it at now. So I would say we have not given her any sort of things wherein she needs to win everything and everything that comes her way. She has to play, enjoy it, and definitely one day they will be successful.
Her achievement is like our achievement. She had emotional breakdowns because she could not go out, practice, play. I mean, she would not even leave the corridor or even the house. She would wake up early morning. I still remember we would wake up in the morning around 5 o'clock, 4:35. We would do her exercises, her daily drills, and somehow we would keep her busy till like her usual badminton hours, training hours. So that way she doesn't feel the pain, And I still remember we would move all the furnitures and we would just play. I mean, just so that she has that thing. Okay, I'm still playing.
she was always good in academics. Even giving that little time at school, she would manage, do fare very well. And so at times it was always a question for us whether she should go towards academics or badminton. But then she was very clear in her part that she wanted to pursue badminton. And at the same time, academics is very important, as we cannot give that away as well. So she's faring well. School is happy, we are happy. So end of the day, it's that way. So there's no pressure on our side that you need to perform or you need to be ranked high. But then overall, I think so she's getting the marks that keeps a smile on everyone in the face, in the family. When you think of decision making, see, first of all, if you are clear in the role that you have to play, like she's clear she wants to play badminton. Now once that clarity is there, then you take that step accordingly. She was clear that she wanted to take badminton. Then we saw she's faring well in academics also, she's fair enough. So we said, okay, let's as a family move towards supporting each other. So she had to make certain changes in her lifestyle. I had to do some certain things at home. I had to get some discipline in my life. Like I couldn't be late night at out because I had to come back and sleep because she had to wake up early. So there was a lot of changes we made within the family to see that she's in a good space, in a happy space, and then eventually one day that results will definitely come out when you in that zone of time.
It's a teamwork, I would say. That is all that matters. See, it is not about, okay, I want to be better than him or he has to be better than me as a parent. At the end of it, we both have equal roles, important roles to play. So it's a teamwork, nothing else. I mean, she is still small, she needs us. She needs guidance, she needs support from all directions.
I've been to many tournaments thanks to my daughter Tian, but but overall I would say it is a very good, because the way they have organized everything, small minute things like there's no parking space available or there's going to be food available around the corner, anything, there are small things, because see, whenever there's an event happening, it's like a family thing, the entire family is going on. So there are, from your daily things to do, you have to manage this part also. And I thought SFA has taken good care of that side, by keeping, whatever arrangements you have made across, so it's good. Like we see that we are in that safe zone. Even if we miss out on something, there is something or the other available over here, so we can manage that.